There's a term in trading, option trading, called combination. Now, a combination is when you trade a call and a put together. You're combining a call with a put. Now, you could buy both, sell both, or buy one and sell the other. Again, it's a kind of a generic term. On the floor, we would refer to combination as buying a call and selling a put, or vice versa. Essentially, what you're doing here is you are trading a synthetic underlying. So looking back at the put call parity, we saw call minus put equals discounted forward minus strike. Well, now we have calls and puts with the same strike, so the strike part on the right side of the equation is gone. So essentially we have call minus put equals discounted forward price. So that obviously means that call minus put equals pretty much the spot price in the underlying market. Okay, so what we're going to do here is look at how you can create a synthetic underlying by buying a call and selling a put. You can also create a synthetic short underlying by selling a call and buying a put. Why do you need to do this? We've talked about how it's hard to maybe borrow a stock like Tesla to short, so you might want to still have some downside exposure to that name. You might want to short Tesla, and the way you can do that is by buying a put and selling a call at the same strike. That's creating a synthetic short underlying, and allows you to get short Tesla, whereas you can't easily borrow that name to short the stock. So that's one reason. Another reason is, we've talked about arbitrage before. You might be able to sell an underlying and then buy the synthetic underlying, buy that combination, buy that combo through buying a call and selling a put. And essentially you'll have a synthetic underlying versus a short regular underlying, or vice versa. You might sell a call, buy a put, and then buy the underlying if it's mispriced. And it might be mispriced because there's a guy in the stock market that's trying to buy or sell some stock and is forcing the market to move quicker than, say, someone in the options market is willing to move those markets. Or maybe there's a guy bidding for a bunch of calls, but the underlying is dumping much faster. Some guy might be trying to buy at the money calls, a 500 lot guy in name where, maybe the NBBO, we've talked about that before, maybe the NBBO is usually like 10 up, but this guy is trying to buy 500 calls. It's harder for that guy to get filled, so there's an opportunity for you to sell that call and buy the same strike put, and then buy that underlying against it. So those, again, are more advanced trades you'll get into later on. But it's good to understand that you can recreate that underlying synthetically, just like you can synthetically create a call and synthetically create a put.